Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey everyone, and welcome, do it with me, back to our channel. Yes, it is me again. I got my fan. So as you can tell from the title, I am trying out some weird beauty products. So I do have a few sitting here, and I'm definitely excited to try these just because I've been wanting them, I've been wanting to try them, but I haven't yet, but now I have a reason why. And so I'm pretty much just going to do it to my face and let you know if it's good or not so that you don't have to ruin yours at home. So, fingers crossed that nothing happens to my face that hasn't already. And let's just get into it. So here are a few of the things that I have. I have a derma roller. I have the 24 karat gold things that go underneath your eyes, supposed to help out with collagen. And then I have this little beauty. Look at this. And it's supposed to suck out the stuff in your nose. And so I have seen a few YouTubers do videos like this, and it made me just want to go out and get it and try it myself because you can never trust a hoe, okay? So I think the first one that I should try is going to be the 24 karat gold eye mask. This brand is Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask. I don't know the brand of it, but this one has to go on for 15-20 minutes. So let's just go ahead and slap these on. And then while those are on, I'm gonna do the pour thingy on my nose and suck out some stuff. So I've already cleaned my hands, I've already cleaned my face. So let's just go ahead and slap these things on. Here they are. I can't really tilt them because there is the liquid stuff in the tray and I don't wanna like spill it everywhere. But I'm guessing the fat end goes right here and it goes skinny out, and then fat end goes here and it goes skinny out. Okay. Let's try that again. So I got that one on that side. Oh, this is so hard to do. Okay, let me get my handy dandy mirror and let's see. Okay, so here it is. So it looks like we're about to go play some fabulous gay football. And these are my little light reflectors because this is not going to deflect any light from getting into my eyes because I can see everything. But these are on. They're pretty amazing. I don't know how to feel about these. This is so weird. Okay, so while these are on, let's go ahead and unbox this thingy. So this is the Comito Suction Beauty Device. It is supposed to help out with blackhead remover and any nastiness that's in your pores and on your face. We have some little constructions. Don't really care. Oh, what are these? It has a bunch of these thingies. But this is what it looks like on the inside. And let's pull her out. Okay. Okay. And then we have like a bunch of these like little nozzles that go with it too. Does it work? Oh. It's cordless, so you can do it on the go. You could be that person on the 405 or the 10 and just be like cleaning your pores out. Okay, so there is no constructions on settings. So let's turn this on. So there's an on button, and then a plus and a minus. And so the plus makes it go up a suction. Ow. Ow, that. Ow. I mean, there's some gunk in there. I mean, not like that much. Ow, that went all the way down my face. Did you see that? So that's the lowest setting. Let's turn this up. Let's go up to number, so it has 5 settings. Oh my god, okay, so no. Let's do the third one and just see. Can y'all hear that? That's going. Ow. Ow! Oh my god, that thing hurts so bad. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, it's getting some gunk now. Am I beautiful yet? So, just because I want to be funny, let's turn this all the way up and see what happens. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's definitely some gook in there. So that works. I'm definitely liking that. I'll have to get my face dirty. Oh yeah, you can clearly see it that way. I'm gonna have to get my face more dirty to see if I can clean out some pores. You know what I mean? Okay, so I kind of did a little bit more of it on my nose during commercial break, but it has been 15 minutes, so it's time to take these off and see if there's any difference. I mean, it definitely looks brighter in the camera. I don't know, I mean, I have like this cooling sensation, so. I mean, I guess it did something, I don't know. I mean, you look cool. I mean, for Instagram purposes, I would say to do it. I guess, you can take selfies. Okay, so final product is going to be this derma roller. So I'm kind of nervous about this. These are pretty big needles. So the way you're supposed to do it is go up and down, this way, side to side, and then diagonal, like that, like make an X. And so you do your face, your forehead, you can do your chest. I'm nervous because I have no numbing cream. So I've already disinfected this. I used rubbing alcohol. I disinfected my face. I put rubbing alcohol on my face. You know, you have to clean everything. I did my hands because you're gonna be touching your face and you do not want bacteria go into your face, especially if you're gonna be poking it with tiny little needles. I'm so scared. So I guess I'll start right here. So I mean, it's not too bad like without pressure, but I'm supposed to be putting some pressure on. Not too much. But you go up like that, and then you scoot over to the next one. So you don't wanna like drag it across, you wanna just go down, up, and then go to the next one. Can y'all see anything yet? Let me keep going. So the areas that hurt the most are the bone. Anywhere a bone is hurts so bad. Ow, that hurts so bad. Oh no, I have to go that way, oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I mean, you know what they say, beauty is pain. And this is painful. That hurts so bad. Oh my god. Ow. And you can like hear it like going like into like your skin, like you can hear it. Oh, I got my hair! Oh my god, stop! Oh! Ow! I'm speechless. Like, I can't talk while doing this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do half right now. So I have to go back. That gives me cringes. And as you can tell, like this side is so much more red than this side. And that's just from me rolling this. Oh yeah, my forehead is getting it. So this is this side. And then this is this side. So you can see this side, I look sunburned. Now the bad thing is that I have to do the other side. I can hear it poking my skin. Oh! The things I do for you. God, this side of my face is so raw, but it's good because that's what it's supposed to be. But I definitely felt like I've been in the sun for like 50 hours. Exactly 50 hours. No more, no less. So don't judge me. So I did up, down, side to side, but I still have to do diagonal. It's okay, I'm gonna be beautiful after this. Just gotta keep telling yourself, you're gonna be beautiful, and then I'll be a real beauty guru. My face. Am I gonna be beautiful? Am I gonna be beautiful? I've tried all of these in actual professional environment, but then whenever I saw that they had stuff that you could like bring home and do it, I definitely had to try it and see what the hype was. The under eye things, I don't really know. I guess you're supposed to use it like more than once and kind of like keep it up. So I don't know about that. The blackhead thing, I definitely feel like that this one worked really good. There's stuff in there. I only tried one thing. I didn't try the microcrystals or anything like that. I only tried one, but I definitely think this is a good one, a good thing to do at home. It kind of felt like what it was in the salon. It kind of felt like how they do it. So I'm definitely gonna give this a yes. And then this little booger, I would have to say a yes, just because my face, I mean, it is red. I did bleed a little bit. It does feel tight right now. It's not as abrasive as if you go to an actual clinic and get it done. I'd have to give that one a yay too. So these little fun products I actually like. I'm going to keep using them. And if you follow us on our social media, all the links are put down below. You can see my progress of me continuing to do these, letting you know, giving you some updates on my Insta story, on our YouTube's Insta story. You know, Brittany has her stuff. I might have to get her some of this so that she can try it too. But if you have any products, anything that you want me to try out that you've been thinking about, but you're too scared to try, you don't want to buy it, it's too expensive, leave a comment down below and I will go and purchase it for you and make a new video, because I like buying fun things. It's like every day is Christmas whenever Amazon knocks on your door and says, here you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. We always put it down right here. And don't forget to push that bell notification button, because YouTube likes to screw up and not notify you when we post. I'm also a singer, so thank you. Now I have to clean up this mess. Somebody clean this up.